and running over the total crypto market cap and Bitcoin, so make sure you stay clear till the very end of this video to get the most value. Also, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. Okay, so XRP, we're going to start off on the 10-day candlesticks here. You guys can see that we do have a major trend line here on XRP that has been a very important place to watch for XRP. Every time we have tested this trend line, we have bounced very significantly off of this trend line. Even if it's just a smaller bounce like right here, this trend line has been a very important level to watch with XRP. Now, currently, we are dropping onto this trend line and holding it as support. So watch this trend line very closely over the next few weeks with XRP, because I do expect a big bounce off of this trend line and for us to start to break up through this local resistance level. Now, a lot of people are wondering, well, will XRP be one of the big movers in this cycle? Will XRP really do everything that everybody's expecting for it to do? And my simple answer to that question is yes. I do think XRP is going to be a very big mover in this cycle. A lot of people are sleeping on this coin. It's a sleeping giant, and it's getting ready for some very big moves on the upside. One of the things that we're watching here with XRP is this comparison to XRP and Bitcoin. So what you can do here is very simply, you can add two charts together with TradingView. So the top chart is XRP and the bottom chart is Bitcoin. And what you can do is you can compare these two charts together to get a better idea of what's going to happen for XRP. Now, as you can see, during the Bitcoin previous cycle, we have this huge parabolic run up, we get a big pullback, then we get another parabolic run up and another big pullback. So we basically have a cycle and an echo cycle, another cycle that's a copy of the first cycle, it's just smaller. And then we start to bottom out here on Bitcoin. It goes kind of sideways a little bit right here and then really starts to take off. Now with XRP, we're seeing the exact same human psychology as Bitcoin. As you can see, we have our primary cycle right here. We pull back, we get another mini cycle or an echo cycle. We pull back again. And now we're getting ready for one of these big parabolic breakouts, just exactly like what we saw with Bitcoin. So be ready for a big move here on XRP. It's the same human psychology as Bitcoin back in the day when Bitcoin was worth about $10,000, before Bitcoin went all the way up to $70,000 per coin and really skyrocketed. So there is a lot of similarities between XRP and between Bitcoin. We see a lot of opportunity here with XRP to buy it early on, just like if you were buying Bitcoin before Bitcoin broke out to 70,000 per coin. Buying XRP right now is a very similar opportunity. Now what we can do here is we can remove all the drawing tools. And the other thing that we do see here with XRP is a massive triangle pattern. So we can draw the resistance of the triangle up here and the support of the triangle down here, which gives us a very, very big triangle pattern here with XRP. Pretty much the exact same triangle pattern that we saw on Bitcoin in 2020. So in 2020, you can see here that we had this exact same triangle pattern, which took multiple years to form on Bitcoin. And when we broke bullish out of this triangle pattern, the upside was completely insane. I mean, Bitcoin went super high after that. Now I'm seeing the exact same psychology, the same kind of setup here with XRP right here, right now in 2024. The exact same kind of opportunity to just print money that we saw on Bitcoin, we're seeing on XRP right here, right now. So I'm personally super bullish on XRP. I do expect a big breakout of this triangle pattern. I do think everybody is going to be really blown away by XRP in this coming cycle with crypto. And a lot of people are going to wonder why they didn't have XRP in their portfolio. This is one of the most popular coins. It's in the top 10 in total market cap. It's really got a bunch of people that are invested into it. It's got a huge community. And this coin, I think, is going to go completely nuts. Yes, it's been in a massive accumulation pattern, which is extremely profitable to play these breakouts of these big accumulation patterns because of how big the move is that comes after. I mean, when you accumulate for multiple years, like we see here with XRP, a multi-year accumulation pattern, you're going to get a huge breakout. And that breakout is going to be equal to how long it took for that accumulation pattern to take place. It's going to be equally big, except vertical instead of sideways, right? And so that's going to be super, super fun for everybody that bought the dip now on XRP, for everybody that bought the dip while everybody else was scared. It's going to be super fun to hold on to XRP throughout this bull market. So get ready for some big moves on XRP. It's the same human psychology as Bitcoin, the exact same thing. The exact same human psychology is playing out here, and yet a lot of people are skeptical, just like they were skeptical of Bitcoin going up during the COVID drop right here when nobody wanted to touch it. Yet I was bullish on Bitcoin during this area right here because I knew we were going to have a huge pump on Bitcoin and anybody that was invested in it was going to make a bunch of money. It's the same human psychology as Bitcoin in the same point in the triangle. Right here, before Bitcoin broke out, that's exactly where XRP is right now. So I'm really bullish on XRP. I know a lot of people are panic selling crypto. I know a lot of people think the markets are going to go down. But guess what? Nothing has changed. Everything is set up perfectly. There's hidden bullish divergence, which we'll talk about on Bitcoin here, just as one example of bullishness in the charts, and yet people are jumping the gun on a move down. People think, oh, it's going to go down. We already went down, right? We already pulled back on Bitcoin. And people now think we're going to pull back a lot more, but I think we're going to go up here. I think Bitcoin is going to see a big upward move and bounce off of this support level. And a lot of people that are bearish, a lot of people that think we're going to go lower are really going to be taken by surprise when this thing bounces right back up to 70K and breaks out again. In a bull market, you want to buy the dip, right? You want to sell the local peaks if you can, but you want to buy the dip. That's exactly what Bitcoin is right now. It's a perfect dip. So don't let the FUD, don't let the fear, don't let the opinions of people that don't know what they're doing scare you out of the markets. It's a perfect time to be invested in crypto and to be buying more in this dip. It's a perfect time. We have hidden bullish divergence here on Bitcoin, and this hidden bullish divergence is one of the most powerful signals. If you can find bullish divergence on the MACD, you need to trust it because it plays out most of the time. And it's going to be a really big bounce off of this major support level. as a result of this hidden bullish divergence and how many people are bearish. I think we're going to break out here on Bitcoin and we're going to make a bunch of money if you're willing to buy the dip right now while people are scared. So I'm super bullish on XRP, but I'm really super bullish on crypto as a whole. And there's a lot of reasons to be, but one of the main reasons is this bullish divergence. Bullish divergence, hidden bullish divergence, or regular bullish divergence is one of the most powerful things you can use in your trading and your investing to be able to predict the market and to buy the dip or sell the top, to sell a local peak, a local high, or to buy a local dip in the market. Divergence is one of the most powerful tools for doing that. So yes, I do think we will bounce off of this support level and go up towards the resistance of this triangle pattern. And I think we're going to break through the triangle and see more upside on Bitcoin. It's the same thing where everybody was too bullish up here. Now everybody's too bearish down here. It looks exactly the same, just an inverted version of the same psychology. So yeah, I don't think we're going to go lower here on Bitcoin. I think the bottom is in, or at least there's a very high probability that it is. Now here with the total crypto market cap, we also see a massive triangle. And again, the same psychology of people panic buying up here, FOMO buying I mean, now they're panic selling down here. The same human psychology is taking place. So yeah, I do expect a bounce off of these lows and for us to come up towards the resistance of this triangle and for us to break up through the triangle and see a lot more upside. The markets look really good even though people think they don't. The markets always look the best to somebody that knows what they're doing when they've pulled back. Why? Because pros buy blood in the streets. They like it when the markets crash. They like to see it pull back. They can buy more. Just like how I like to see everybody get greedy up here because I knew I could take profit and short the market and make a bunch of money, and that's exactly what I did. And now I see everybody getting too fearful down here, and the market pulled back, and I'm buying the dip as we speak because I know people are getting too fearful. It's super fun to do what the pros do and to buy when other people are fearful and sell when other people are greedy. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what I see in the crypto markets. A lot of opportunity to make money if you're willing to buy the dip, if you're willing to go against the crowd and get ready for a big upward move in the crypto markets. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.